notice that a lot of negative people, a lot of negative incidences happen, and I don't get sucked into them. I feel like I am in the moment more often, and I'm not taking so much stuff on from other people.
I took the Mini in my pocketbook on a ride along the New Jersey Turnpike. My husband was a skeptic, was the driver. He had no idea that I had this device with me. Within minutes, I observed that traffic was just giving us our space. We had space galore, and it was the most peaceful ride.